Part A, Question 1. RM6,411 ringgit and 10 cents was deposited 6 years ago at a bank that offered an interest rate of 5% compounded every 6 months. Calculate the amount in the account at the end of the investment period. So in this question, we will be using the formula S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket our N. So first thing first, we need to find our I and N. What is I? I equals the nominal rate over the number of times interest calculated in a year. So 0.05 equals to what is our N? N equals the number of times interest calculated in years times years. So 2 times 6 because it is 6 years. So we got 12. So we got the numbers, we put it into the formula. We got S equal 6,411 ringgit 10 cents. So from bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 2 bracket over 12. And we got the answer, which is 8,620 ringgit and 22 cents. B. Will be total loan of RMS from the ABC at the interest rate of 10% compounded monthly after 5 years and 9 months. The amount we pay is 4,058 ringgit and 60 cents. Question 1. Calculate the value of X. So we will be using the same formula as before. We find our I and our N. What is our I? 0.10 over 12. Our N is 69. We got all the numbers, we put it into the formula. So we need to take note that 458 ringgit is our S because it is the amount we paid, which is the latest amount. We find our loan amount without all the interest. So 4,058 ringgit equal X from bracket 1 plus 0.10 over 12 plus bracket power 69. So now we need to change the position of S and P, and we got X equals 4,058 ringgit and 60 cents over open bracket 1 plus 0.10 over 12 plus bracket power 69, and we got the answer, which is 2,289 ringgit and 24 cents. Second, find the amount of interest charge. So now we just use the formula I equals S minus P. We already got both S and P, so now just put it into the formula. I equals 4,058 ringgit and 60 cents minus 2,289 ringgit and 24 cents. And we get the answer, which is 1,769 ringgit and 36 cents.
So let's move on to our next question. In 5 years' time, Shahidah wants to have enough money to pay 16% down payment off on a house that costs 218,750 ringgit. She invests in a savings account that pays an interest of 3.2% compounded semi-annually. So how much should she invest today to have enough money for the down payment? So this is the detail. So we are going to find the value of P. So first thing first, let's calculate the down payment, the future value, which is S. So 16 multiplied by 218,715 divided by 100 equal to 35,000 ringgit. And let's take a look at formula of compound interest, which is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power by N. So use the information that we obtained and substitute into the formula of compound interest. So 35,000 ringgit equal to P open bracket 1 plus 0.032 divided by 2 close bracket power by 10. So P equal to 35,000 divide open bracket 1.0016 close bracket power by 10. So the answer is 297,862 ringgit and 83 cents, which is the amount of money that she should be investing right in her savings account. So let's jump to our next question. Siti deposit 2,400 ringgit into a savings account that earned 12% interest compounded monthly. How long would it take for the investment to become 4,913 ringgit and 4 cents? So this is the information that we obtained from the question. So first thing first, let's take a look at formula of compound interest, and this is the information that we obtained from the question. Use the information and substitute into the formula of compound interest. So 4,913.04 equal to 2,400 open bracket 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12 close bracket power by 12t. So open bracket 1.01 close bracket power by 12t equal to 4,913.04 divided by 12 divided by 2,400 ringgit, and we just need to simplify the right side of the equation to a single number, right? Like this: open bracket 1.01 close bracket power by 12t equal to 2.0471. So to solve the t, we are going to use a ln for both of sides. This allows us to bring down the exponent 12t in front. So 12t ln open bracket 1.01 close bracket equal to ln 2.0471. So t equal to ln 2.0471 divided by 12 ln open bracket 1.01 close bracket. So after calculating the above expression, we find that t equal to 6 years. This means it would take 6 years for an investment of 2,400 with an annual interest rate of 12% compounded monthly to grow to 4,000 ringgit, 4,913 ringgit point 4 cents.
Question number 1. Admin deposited RMX ringgit at the end of every 3 months into an account at 8% compounded quarterly for 5 years. If he had 15,000 ringgit at the end of investment period, find the value of X and the interest earned. So, this is the formula that will be used in our question. So, after we analyzed the question, we found there is 2 problems to be solved in this question. The first one is to find the value of X, which is 15,000 equal X, open bracket, 1 plus 0.08 divided 4, close bracket, power by 20 minus 1 divided 0.08 divide 4, which is X equal to 617.35 ringgit. So our second problem is to find interest. I equal 15,000 minus 617.35 ringgit times 20, which we will get I equal 15,000 minus 12,347 ringgit. So after we minus it, we will get I equal 2,653 ringgit. So we will move on to our next question, which is question 2. First, A. Sophia bought a house for 550,000 ringgit and she paid 45,000 for a down payment, and the balance was financed by taking a loan for 25 years. So this is the formula that we will be used in order to solve the problem. So the first thing we're gonna do is to find the loan payment without the down payment, which is 450,000 ringgit minus 45,000 ringgit, which is 405,000 ringgit. After that, we're gonna use the formula that I showed you before, which is 405,000 ringgit equal R1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.07 divide 12 close bracket powered by minus 300 divide 0.07 divide 12, which is R equal to 2,862 ringgit 64 cent.
For question B, calculate the amount of interest charge. Formula of interest charge is I equals by open bracket R multiple by N close bracket minus A. In this case, R equals by 2,862 ringgit and 46 cent, N equals by 300 and A equals by 405,000. Substituting the value in the formula, we get I equals by 2,862 ringgit and 46 cent multiplied by 300 minus 405,000. Simplifying the expression, we get I equals 453,000 and 1,738 ringgit. For question C, suppose Sophia missed the first 3 payment, how much should she pay on the 4th payment if she want to settle the outstanding arrears? For this question, we must use the formula S equal by R, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, power by N, minus 1, divided by I. In this case, R equals by 2,862 ringgit and 46 cent, I equals by 0.07 divided by 12 and equals by 4. Substitute this value in the formula, we get S equal by 2,862 ringgit 46 cent, open bracket 1 plus 0.0 divided by 12, power by 4 minus 1 divided by 0.0 divided by 12, and we get the answer S equals by 11,550 ringgit and 42 cents. For question D, immediately after paying the 10 years, Mariam want to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that need to be paid? This question, we use balance of payment. Firstly, we must find balance of payment. Balance of payment equals N minus open bracket M multiple T close bracket. Substitute this value in the formula, we get 300 minus open bracket 12 multiple 10 close bracket. Settle the bracket first, and we get 120, 300 minus 120, and we get 180. After that, we use the formula and simplifying the expression, we get A equals by 2,862 ringgit and 46 cents. 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12 close bracket power by negative 180 divided by 0.0 divided by 12, and we get A equals 318,465 ringgit and 73